Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prevalence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are cryptographic forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administration. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars elon coins are neither focused on innovation nor without basics. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no viable utility like other digital forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low qualities and high course. A large portion of the Dogelon Mars elon is esteemed at a couple of pennies or a negligible part of a penny. In light of the most recent information, a ton of image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars elon appeared in WAC 2021. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the subject of Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital currencies. Yet the ubiquity of Dogelon Mars elon has in the end expanded. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are the most famous among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and component for Dogelon Mars elon, so for $1 you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars elon, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The verifiable information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was loaded with linguistic and spelling blunders, which had in the long run become viral via online entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was circled on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, made the Dogecoin to jab the seriously other crypto tokens available for use. Today, it has become one of the top esteemed tokens all around the world, spiked tremendously, and moved to the 9th position. At the point when the notoriety of such tokens expanded, many organizations thought of image coins. A few nations even made a move against image coin course. In July 2021, Thailand prohibited the flow of Dogelon Mars elon coins due to their flimsiness and hazard. Dogelon Mars, the street ahead. Most recent news reports out from the digital currency market manifest. 2021 was a great time for Dogelon Mars elon tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars flourished in 2021. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the digital currency market is generally tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began financial planning. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest cryptographic money list. From that point onward, markets saw a development in the posting of FLOKI Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoyed Coin SAMU, Kishu Inu. The greater part of them have a similar example, yet they are from various networks. Squid Game is a token made that is motivated by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the engineers had the carpet pulled the following day, costs plunged to almost 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane variable of image coins is that they will give profoundly beneficial returns and make their financial backers moguls short-term. In a study directed by Kerbako, a digital money research organization, with respect to the acquisition of new cryptographic forms of money, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Since it is characterized as a fair general cryptographic money, there was no presale of tokens. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 coins have been made subsequent to sending half to Vitalik Buterin. The following half of tokens are secured in the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH pair. Then it is locked for eternity. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars cost beat the Dogelon Mars cost expectations and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Dogelon Mars has given a decent return around then. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars elon is around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $210,329,262. The circling supply is 549,652,770,159. 583 elon with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,909,874. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. In view of the Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Expectation 2023 and the ongoing cost activity, the typical cost of ELON tokens may be around $0. Toward the finish of 2023, the greatest and least value levels of Dogelon Mars could stretch around $0 individually. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Forecast 2024 as indicated by Dogelon Mars Cost Expectation 2024. The ELON token could arrive at a typical cost of $0. The base cost of Dogelon Mars could cross $0. What's more, in light of ELON cost forecast, the token could raise a ruckus around town worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. In light of Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Forecast 2025, the coin is expected to begin the year around $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, while the base value level may be around $0 the finish of 2025. Thus, according to our ELON cost expectation, Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture choice for a more drawn-out time frame outline. Dogelon Mars Expectation 2026. The ELON cost forecasts predict starting at $0, and an inevitable increment is normal for what's to come. Dogelon Mars has a lot of chance due to its inflationary nature, according to the past information. As indicated by our Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0, while on the potential gain, the greatest value level could hit $0. Dogelon Mars Figure 2027. Dogelon Mars Expectation predicts a greatest cost of ELON tokens around $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars Forecast 2027 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise dramatically. Dogelon Mars Coin Expectation 2028. By the start of 2028, the Dogelon Mars estimate guesses that the cost of Dogelon Mars will reach $0. The base and greatest costs could cross $0 individually. Dogelon Mars Gauge 2029. Out of 2029, Dogelon Mars value expectations are supposed to cross the $0 cost level. As per the Dogelon Mars figure, the base and most extreme value levels may be around $0 the finish of 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Expectation 2030 ventures that the Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. Further, the normal cost will be around $0, with the most extreme exchanging cost of Dogelon Mars coming to $0. The drawn-out ELON cost expectation looks encouraging for 2030. Often posed inquiries: is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? In light of the value forecasts of Dogelon Mars, future costs are bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture. The development of ELON exclusively relies upon the state of the common market of that period. While taking a passage in elon, take a gander at the Dogelon Mars graph, look at the pattern, and do your own exploration on section focuses and cost gauge. In the event that you can't track down a passage, take a touch of legitimate monetary